We're going to plant turnip and mustard green seeds here in the family plot square foot garden. Now, before I plant seeds, the soil is loose already, but I go ahead and just break it up a little bit more with my trowel, just so that the seeds have nice loose soil to germinate in. So let's start off here with the turnips, which are going to go here. And these are teeny, 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 tiny little seeds. And turnips, you plant 9 per square. So I'm just going to go ahead and make 9 little holes with my fingers. I'm supposed to plant them about a ½ inch deep. And I'll try and drop 1 seed in each, but I'm probably going to get a couple just because they're so small. Mustard, you plant 16 to a square. So it'll be a 4x4 grid, and I'll just kind of do the same thing. I'll just put 16 little holes in here. And this mustard you also plant a ½ inch deep. And these seeds are also teeny tiny. So I'm sure I'm going to have to come back and thin these. And now that they're in the holes, I'm just going to cover them up. Okay, and we'll come back and water in just a minute.